dramatic showdowns, and spectacular rescues.
Ủa hai. Đây lẽ là.
Slowly moving forward, hauling 47 tons of long logs along a treacherous mountain road, the John Deere machine equipped with tracks gradually pulls each load uphill. Its tracks leave deep imprints in the ground. Wet, muddy ground makes movement extremely difficult, and on top of that, it has to drag a load of logs. The tractor seems unable to escape the treacherous mud. Luckily, a similar machine steps in to help, doubling the power to pull the logs through each stretch of terrain. Let's watch these two machines take on the terrain challenge. The Belarus MTZ 1000, 221, and Belarus MTZ 82 struggle in deep mud, their wheels spinning and sinking further into the ground. Comment 1 if you love these machines just like I do. Oh no, logging work is truly tough. This Valtra forestry machine pushes deep into the forest along a muddy, waterlogged path, but nothing can stop it. After finishing the collection, it hauls tons of heavy logs along that same dangerous trail. That nasty mud again. The ATS 59 moves like a massive beast through the swamp, its engine roaring loudly. But even so, the mud can still hold it back. It quickly gets swallowed by the thick sludge. You probably can't imagine this reckless tractor actually making it down such a steep slope. With a high, rough incline and hauling tons of logs behind, it's far from simple. Subscribe now so you don't miss the most intense, dangerous machine moments you can't look away from. The front lifts off the ground. Carrying heavy loads of rock in the back throws the machine off balance, forcing it to ride on its rear wheels. With no other option, someone stands at the front to add weight and help stabilize it so it can move more safely. The Valtra forestry tractor works on a sloped hillside. With its powerful arm, it picks up each large log and loads it onto the machine, handling the bulky cargo. Even across gentle slopes, it moves steadily and safely. An intense showdown begins. The Belarus 1221 goes head-to-head with the T40, both machines buried in mud as they keep pulling forward. But luck runs out, the red tractor gets stuck, and the rescue officially begins. The massive off-road truck gets stuck in deep mud. The engine roars as thick black smoke pours out, making it extremely difficult to break free. How dangerous and intense do you think this situation is? If it feels too extreme, comment 1 right now. When it comes to rice harvesting, this machine is essential. The Kubota 68 King Harvester features a powerful engine and a massive build, moving from one field to another. Working tirelessly all day without stopping. A top-tier rescue by this tractor? It takes on the task of pulling a similar machine stuck in deep mud, its wheels sunken and tilted to one side. Through relentless effort, the trapped machine is finally freed. Give this machine a big round of applause. It was supposed to be a nice day out, but despite his experience, he drove straight into a ditch. The vehicle got stuck on the spot and had to rely on a tractor for rescue. And as you know, with a tractor's pulling power, there's no doubt about the outcome. The vehicle was quickly pulled back to safety.
Empurrar, cara. Acelera. Pisa, pisa. Acelera, acelera. É o escape, é o escape. Nós somos já do trabalho, imagina um cara bêbado, cara.
Next up is a brutally tough firewood transport. The NHTL 90 tractor pushes deep into the forest, collecting piles of wood, its arm constantly grabbing and dropping. The workflow is fast, efficient, and highly productive. Subscribe now so you don't miss the most intense, dangerous machine failures and those high-skill moments you can't take your eyes off.
เอาปีนขึ้นมาครับเอาขึ้นไป